Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sampoerna Academy Medan STEAM Expo 2025.
So I believe the STEAM education is very good for all the children, especially for those who would like to achieve more in terms of the whole knowledge accordingly in international. The proudest moment is for the whole process, start from the beginning until the end, the result. And I think it really helps my child to, think outside the box and think through the whole journey that this is a very prestigious event, and it helps him, building his confidence, building his maturity in, emotional and in creativity as well. I think the changes are he was stable in terms of emotion and in terms of creativity, and now he really thinks beyond all the expectations. So the level of thinking, the level of creativity, I think it's challenge him to grow even more.
Thank you, everyone.
See you at the STEAM Expo at Sampoerna Academy.
See you at the next STEAM Expo!